Thai food and drinks lover din ba kayo mga millennials? Samahan nyo kami ng Team Good Vibes for another food vlog. Here at Liza's Thai Kitchen located at 913 Susana Street, Diamond Subdivision, Angeles City, Pampanga.
Ate, ano mo naman tawag dito?
Binagoong rice.
Binagoong rice. For how much? It will cost
250.
250 bagoong rice. Diba? Ang dami niya guys. So, meron pa siyang eggs. Very affordable. How about this one po?
Shrimp and scallop omelette.
Magkano naman itong shrimp and scallop?
300.
300 pesos ang one plate ng shrimp and scallop.
Shrimp pad thai po.
Shrimp pad thai for
250.
250 pesos for one plate. So, meron siyang tofu. Good for sharing siya, tita, niya. Yan. Pakita mo si Tita Liza, the owner and the chef of Liza's Thai Kitchen Spring Roll.
Combo spring roll.
Combo spring roll for how much?
200 pesos.
200 pesos. May fried and meron siyang fresh spring roll. With peanut sauce and vinegar.
Shrimp pomelo salad.
Shrimp pomelo salad. Social. May suha. For how much po?
250 po.
Guys, 250 pesos malaking shrimp. Suha. Or pomelo.
Fried chicken.
Fried chicken with chili sauce.
Chili sauce.
For how much?
250.
250 pesos. Right. And my favorite tom yum soup. How much po? Tom yum soup. So, 300 pesos. Naamoy ko yung ano, tita? Yung cilantro. Favorite kong ano yan, mga herbs. And of course, the drinks. How much?
Thai milk tea boy, 70 pesos.
150 pesos lemongrass. Ay, wow. Then this one, Thai milk tea. 70. Thai taro. How much?
100.
So 100. This one 150, 70, 100. Taro. Gabi. Ay, social. Okay, shrimp scallop. My God. First bite. Right. Ay, sarap. Tapos yung egg niya, Manamis-namis siya. Ito lang yan, guys. Sa Liza's Thai Kitchen, located at Diamond Subdivision, Balibago, Angeles City. Hindi nyo na kailangan gumamit ng passport papunta ng Thailand. Rekta na kayo dito sa Diamond. tom yum soup. Right. Wow. May shrimp pa siya, guys. Alam mo yung para kang nasa Thailand, Singapore, Malaysia, lahat na po ng Asian. Lahat na ng Asian country. Alright. Second bite. Shrimp, guys. Ang sarap ng tom yum. Alam mo yung asim niya? Tsaka yung lasa ng cilantro, bro. Kuwang-kuha, oh. Grabe, oh. Right. Spring roll with peanut sauce. So, kung sa fried naman, meron siyang vinegar. Let's use peanut sauce. Ooh. Ang sarap. Ang crunchy ng gulay. Ang napaka-fresh ng mga gulay niya. Ang crispy ng mga nasa loob niya, guys. Wow. Ito naman, guys, oh. May suha. Pomelo, oh. Tamis ng suha, ah. Siyempre may fried shrimp sila. Flavorful and tasty. Bagoong rice. Alright. Sarap. Amoy pa lang, oh. Yung bagoong nila, hindi maanghang. Namis-namis siya. Not salty yung kanilang bagoong. So, gusto ko yung bagoong niya kasi malamis-namis. Everybody's favorite, fried chicken. Of course, with chili sauce. Sweet chili sauce. So crispy. Hindi maanghang. So, yung sauce na yung gusto ko kahit. Match na match siya sa pagka-prito or pagka-fried ng chicken. Sarap. Mga millennials, we're inviting you to come visit here at Liza's Thai Kitchen located at Diamond, Balibago, Angeles City, Pampanga. Like, follow, or share, and subscribe!